This is my fantastic Lymow One Plus mower. Seriously impressive. It's an absolute beast of a thing, it really is. There's a few things on the market, they just can't touch this. Different models, they haven't got the power. This has got these two fantastic 1750 watt motors. When it gets to some grass that's a bit longer, the brushless motors just judge the resistance and will ramp up the power, give it some extra beef. It is an absolute beast. The tracks and everything, it can go up steep angles. This is really soft mud and it just goes straight across it, look. I don't know of any other robot mower that could get over this kind of terrain. I mean, it just doesn't sink, it just floats over the top. And it's a hefty bit of kit as well. The distance it can do, this is what it's got to deal with. It's a big old area, 7,000 square metres. These 1785 watt motors are just mullering this grass. Like I said previously, they're brushless. If it comes across a tuft of grass, it just increases the power remotely. You know nothing about it. Seamless technology. Even those big clumps of mud there, it's just butchering them straight through them, no problem at all. Well, it's making light work of this, I have to say. It's whizzing along, cutting a really nice, clean line down there. The thick grass it's not phasing it at all. Good British grass, no problem for Lymow. It can do 7,000 square metres a day. It is an absolute monster. But that's not without his failings. You know, it has got a few little flaws that, you know, they're working on. They keep updating it. They keep doing things in the background to get this to its pinnacle. It's not too far from it though, I have to say. I'm really impressed with it. Today, I'm going to run through the history. I've had it 12 weeks now, something like that. And like I say, I'm going to run through everything that we've had, the problems we've had, how good it's been, how bad it's been. Need to do a little modification to it though. We have got this, I won't say it's an issue, but Lymow, when they built these, they had to make a bit of safety in there. Let me just show you what I'm going to tell you about. If we get the deck up, and you can see straight away, we've got this blockage here. This is purely for the fact that these motors give off so much power. If a stone went in there and it flicked it out, if it came out this chute without any of this guard on there, it could go through a window, damage a car or something along those lines. I haven't got anything like that close to the area I'm doing. There's no stones, the lawn is prepared, there's no glass around that I'm going to break. So I'm going to remove this panel here, which has got screws in it, so it's all made to be removed. We can take that out and it just increases the airflow through this whole deck and it will stop this little problem of it getting jammed up and clogged up. Because we don't want that. We want it to be cutting and mowing and mulching to its absolute, to the best of its ability. So let's get rid of this shield here and we can do some real good mowing. Let's just suck out some of this muck that's in here. Put a towel down there, catch any of the screws. Yeah, these metal blades with these two brushless motors create so much power. Everything else looks all right. Let's take this off. PZ1 head. Let's pop that into my little impact. And let's take these off. That's the first piece off there, and then we just want to get this last bit off here, which is just 2 more up there. That's removed that flap that was on the side that was giving us all that restriction, and also this whole piece would just create a bit of a restriction. If a twig or something would get stuck, now we've got none of that, and that long wet grass can just blow out with no problems at all. That's why they've made it to take it off, so that you can do it. They don't want the responsibility of busting windows, but it's I suppose your responsibility if you've taken these bits off. Where a majority of people with one of these is doing big gardens, nowhere near the house, nowhere near windows and stones. So that's going to work really well. Now the other thing that I have to say with this, I made a fundamental mistake in my first video I got the hose pipe on it and I hosed it all down. Now I'm really going at it with this hose pipe. Water everywhere. Just give it a quick rinse. It won't hurt it. Well, that's what I thought. But yeah, how wrong was I? Ready for action. If you do give it a squirt, one thing you got to remember, this on the top here, these 2 little pins is the rain sensor. So if there's any water in there, it will just go back to its house and say it's raining and I'm going home. So just make sure we get that quick blowing off. These motors get quite warm. I'd done a massive cut, I'd done the whole paddock, the thing was really hot and I've just got the hose in there and just hosed it. Well, the seals on these motors, they're not indestructible. So I've got really hot motors and I've squirted cold water straight onto them and it actually got into one of the bearings. And made it noisy.
Lawnmower starting now.
But Lymow's customer service was absolutely fantastic and they replaced the unit for me. There are also a few settings on the app that you really want to be looking at. So we need to tap on this little icon at the top here, which is the lines with the dots in it. Takes you through to your mower settings. We want to keep the speed at 0.6. Cut in high, I want to get that up to 40. Blade speed, I want that high. I'm going turbo. I might go, let's go speed, let's go turbo. We want it to cut that grass really fine and blow it out through that chute. If we go into advanced setting, we can see the spacing between pats. It's set at 30 at the minute. Let's go down to 25. Stripe angle, we'll optimise that. I want a crisscrossy pattern. I want to get this, and we can change that angle. So it's going to change it by 90 degrees to give a checkerboard effect. We'll go with that. It's going to offset the way the tracks are running in the grass as well. So let's go back out of that one. Smart zone, yeah, we've got smart. We want the perimeter. We don't want it, now we've took that cover off, we don't want the grass to be shooting out all over the patio. So if we're going a counterclockwise direction, it'll always shoot the outer perimeter back into the lawn. So let's go for counterclockwise. We want to keep, I'm keeping both the motors going on it. We don't want to turn those off. And let's save that. Right, let's give it a mow and see what it can do. We should hopefully now see all that grass cutting shooting out the side with no obstruction at all. Clearly see that coming out the side. Chopping that up like never before. And I've got to replay this clip because I did enjoy myself. How much beef has this thing actually got? Seriously impressive. So there we have it, the Lymow One Plus. What a fantastic bit of kit. It's like a tank. The aluminium body, the aluminium chassis, the tracks, the build quality, it's all second to none. It's an absolutely fantastic bit of kit. That cutter on the front with the air traction to draw the grass up and cut it and blow it out. It's like a traditional mower on steroids without the, well, you haven't got to push it. It's completely remote control, GPS tracking. What more can I say? It's not cheap. It isn't cheap, but you get what you pay for. This retails in the UK at about £2,600. If I've got some discount codes, which I'm sure I will have, I'll pop them in the description of the video below. So if you're thinking of it, if you want one, it's a Rolls Royce. It's the Rolls Royce of mowers. I can't believe it. Yeah, check the links out, see if you can find yourself some discount and fill your boots. If you've got a really big garden, a paddock, something that needs maintaining, this is perfect. Something that's a bit uneven with gradients, it's perfect for that. If you've got a really flat garden as well, this does a really nice cut, low down. Like I say, it's drawing the grass up. It's not like the standard robot mowers with the flat spinning razor blades that just spin and cut. They don't draw the air up and don't suck the leaves up. It's motion as well, it's doing it all. So like I say, if I've got some discount codes, they'll be in the description. If you've enjoyed this one, if you've got any comments, put me a little thumbs up and drop me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.